Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping your name. This is where Apple ID subscriptions live. Once there, tap Subscriptions to view all recurring charges and trial periods. You need to authenticate with Face ID or your passcode so iOS shows full details. Make sure to scan the list for the specific iTunes or App Store subscription you want to cancel. After you locate it, you can tap to see price, renewal date, and the cancel option so you know what will stop. Once you open the subscription details, read the renewal date and plan tier so you understand what you are canceling. Tap Cancel Subscription and confirm your choice. This prevents the next billing cycle. Make sure to note the access end date. Apple usually lets you use the service until the paid period ends. If Cancel Subscription is missing, it may be billed through a third party. In that case, contact the provider listed. After confirming, you will see the status change to canceled. You should now confirm the subscription status shows canceled and an expiry date. This proves the change took effect. If you still see charges or the item doesn't appear, make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID. Many people have multiple accounts. If it was purchased through a third party, reach out to that vendor. As a troubleshooting tip, if cancellation fails, sign out and back into your Apple ID or contact Apple support with the purchase receipt. They can trace and resolve.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.